Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video, we'll be looking at Maths Techno Logarithms Class 8 in 3 packages. So let's begin. Pearl package first question. The characteristic of logarithm of a n-digited number is. So how do we find out? We find out using n minus 1. The characteristic is n minus 1. We all know this, right? Second question, in a decimal number, if the number of zeros between decimal point and first significant digit is k, then the characteristic of the logarithm of the number is k plus 1 bar. Right, so the first one is C, second one is B. So in the B, that bar is missing, you can just add it up. Okay. Third question, if a number has n minus 2 digits, then the characteristic of the logarithm of the number. Generally, how many ever number of digits it is having, we are just going to do minus 1 to it, right? So what I'm going to do, n minus 2 minus 1. We have to do minus 1 compulsory because that is only here, right? That is the way we find characteristic. So n minus 2 minus 1 is n minus 3. So what is the option? It is option A. So A is the answer for this question. Let's move on to the fourth question. If log x is equal to 25.078, then the number of digits in x is. So simply you're just going to add 1 to the characteristic. I mean the integral part, the number part, you are just going to add 1. So 25 plus 1, which is nothing but 26. So the option is option A. 26 digits will be there. So for this, just add 1. That is only going to be the number of digits. Okay. Next, we have matrix matching type of questions here. Fifth one, the characteristic of log to 213.46 is. Now how do we find out the characteristic? First 213, there are 3 digits here, so 3 minus 1. So what is the characteristic? It is 2. But in the options there is no option like 2 directly, but let's check out the options. Okay, so first A option, if you see, so in the A option, what they have given to us, log 4 to the base 2. Now we can simplify this, right? 4 can be written as 2 square to the base 2. So log 2 square to the base 2. Now this power, whatever is there, it will come in front of the log. So it will become 2 log 2 to the base 2. Now log 2 to the base 2, here when the number and base are same, it is just 1, right? Because log A to the base A is just 1. Same thing applies here. So 2 into 1. So what is the answer? A is the right answer only, because of answer we are going to get it as 2. So A is right answer. Now B is 3 bar. No, directly we can say it is not the right answer. C is 1 bar. No. Let's check for D. Okay. Log A to the base B multiplied by log B square to the base A. Now for this, what we have to do is, here this number and this number, when both are same, you can take this number here. Okay, this a's will get vanished, this base we will use and this number you will use. This is also one of the law which we have studied and used many a times. So log b square to the base b, this is going to be right, because a and a will get vanished away. Now this 2 is the power, right? So it will come before log. So it is going to be 2 log b to the base b. Now here same number, same base, it is going to be 1. So 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 only for both. So A and D are the right option. So fifth answers are A and D. Next, let's look at the sixth question. The characteristic of log 0.00456 is. So now how do we find out the logarithm when we have 0 point something? So how we have to do is shift the decimal to here before decimal point. If it is 0, we can't consider it to be the characteristic. So we have to send this decimal point to right side. How many jumps I'm going to take? 0. Here one jump, here one more jump, and here one more jump. Till I get a number. Till I get a number apart from 0, before the decimal point, I have to do like this, because here it is 4, then only I stopped, right? Now it is 4.56, right? Point will come here. I have shifted, right? Till there you have to keep doing this, okay? Keep moving the decimal point. So how many times I moved it? 3 times, 3 jumps I did. So 3 bar we have to write. So what is the option? It is B. Okay. Now, seventh question, characteristic of log 0.00602. Same thing here also, 1 jump, 2 jump and 3 jumps we did. So answer is 3 bar. Characteristic is 3 bar. So which is the option? B only, same option. Now, eighth one, characteristic of log 0.587. Now I'm going to send this point only one jump, then only we can get a number immediately, right? So 1 bar. So option is C option. Okay, so we have completed the pearl. Let's move on to the emerald package. So first question is log 2a minus 3b is equal to log a minus log b. Then a is equal to what? What is the value of a? We have to tell. Okay. Now how do we find out? First, log 2a minus 3b, you are not going to do anything. Just write it like that, is equal to log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b. We all know this law, right? I'm going to write it in such a way. Now log I'm going to cancel it out. So 2a minus 3b is equal to a by b. Okay. Now this b I'm going to send it to LHS. So this is going to be b into 2a minus 3b is equal to a. Now multiplying this b to with both the terms, okay, so b into 2a is equal to 2ab minus 3b into b is 3b square is equal to a. We can further still simplify this, okay. Now 2ab minus 3b square is equal to a. This was where we stopped. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send this minus 3b square to RHS. Okay, so 2ab is equal to a plus 3b square. Okay, a plus 3b square. Now here 2ab. In this I'm going to send the a to RHS. Okay, a I'm going to send it to RHS. Only the a. Okay, so 2b will be left here is equal to a by a plus 3b square by a. Generally what will happen when you send a there, a plus 3b square by a you will write, but we all know that, right? A by a plus 3b square by a only, right? We can just write it in this way. So I have written directly in this way. Okay, I have written directly like this. Okay, so I hope you understand. That is mathematics, basic mathematics only, we know, right? Now a and a will get cancelled here, and here we can't cancel anything. So 2b is equal to 1 plus 3b square by a. Correct. So now next what we are going to do? I'm going to send this 1 to LHS. Okay. So 2b minus 1 is equal to 3b square by a. Understood? Now we want the value of a. So I'm going to send this a here and 2b to RHS because we want value of a. That is what is asked, right? In the question, that is what is asked. Now a is equal to 3b square by 2b minus 1. Okay, because this is in multiplication. When it comes to the RHS, it will become division. It will become the denominator, right? And this will become the numerator, right? So what is the answer? Option C is the answer. C. Okay. Okay. Next, we will see the second question, statement type of question. The characteristic of logarithm is always an integer. True. The value of notation k plus 1 bar is nothing but minus k plus 1. Correct. This is also correct. The statement is there in the question. In the introduction, it is there. Okay. True statement. So answer is option A, both A and B are true. Okay. Next, for third and fourth question are more than one correct answer type of questions. Third question, the logarithm should be calculated to the base e are called as, they are called as natural logarithms and Neperian logarithms. Okay, it is there in the introduction. Next, fourth question, logarithm should be calculated to the base 10 are called as common logarithms and Briggs logarithms. This is also there in the introduction part. Okay. Let's move on to the diamond package now. So if log 3 is equal to 0.4770, then the number of digits in 3 power 56 is. So how do we solve this? So what they are asking, log 3 power 56. They are asking, right? Number of digits we have to say. So first, this is 56 is the power, right? So it will come in front of the log. So 56 log 3 is the value we are going to get. Now 56 into log 3 value they have given to us, right? So just put that 56 into 0.4770. Now when you multiply that, answer is going to be 27 approximately. So option is C. Answer is C. Okay. Yeah. Next, second question. So second, third, fourth are passage type of questions. So let's see. What the passage statements are very simple. You can understand by reading them. Yeah. Second question is, among the following the natural logarithms. Now what is natural logarithm? Logarithm which is calculated to the base e. So generally it will be like this, log x to the base e. So here let's check for the logarithm which is having base e. Here base is 10. This is not a natural, this is common logarithm. Here it is 2. This is not any of it. This is also not. So this is also not. Here it is to the base e. So D is the correct answer. Okay. So correct answer is D. Next, third question, let's see. Mantissa of log 50 is equal to 1.6990. So what is a mantissa? Just this part, right? So 0.6990 is the mantissa. So which is the option? It is C option. Okay. Next, fourth question. If log 463.1 is equal to 2.6657, the mantissa of log 4.631 is. So what is the mantissa? Obviously this part. Sorry. From the point whatever is there towards the right. So 0.6657 is the mantissa. So option is A. Right, so with this we have completed the AM3. Not only AM3 is completed, logarithms chapter is also completed. And not only logarithms chapter is completed, our Techno syllabus of class 8 maths is completely done. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share, subscribe to Vishwablooms and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye bye.